Hello viewers, I'm in Fillmore, California. I wanted to film the Sespe Creek Truss Bridge, built in 1902 by the Southern Pacific Rail Line. Sespe Creek down here. Just out, I hunt for old bridges around the area and came across this one just outside of Fillmore, California. This was built in 1902. It looks like the truss bridge I filmed in Peru. That was a double span. This one here is just about 225 feet across. Goes over the Sespe Creek. See the date right there, backwards. It's 1902 when it was built. All right. Yeah, just checking out the old truss bridges. I love these things. It says this bridge is active still, but I don't know. Hopefully a train doesn't come. Anyway, there you go. Sespe Creek Bridge, Fillmore, California. Decided to check it out. Keep trying to locate old railroad bridges to film. These trussed bridges are my favorite. Let's see if I can get a shot of the 1902 from this side. The sun's right there. It's right up there, but it's right in the sun, of course. Anyway, just want to check this one out. If you like old railroad bridges like I do. There you go. Old Southern Pacific Rail Line Truss Bridge, Sespe Creek, Fillmore, California. Thanks for watching.